All right, so we're about to head out, and
No.
there's a wind advisory. So we're gonna drive into it and see how far we get before we have to pull over. First, we're gonna stop at, where are we stopping first, Lindy?
Minnesota's largest candy store.
So this should be interesting. So we're gonna take off, we're gonna see how far we get. We have, what did the final mileage end up being?
219, I think.
219. Gross miscalculation. We thought it was 180.
It's extra 40 miles.
And let's see, what are the winds?
Always put it, it's constant 43-mile-an-hour winds with gusts up to 60. And apparently Google says don't tow over 50. So the gusts are what are worrisome. It said to travel 20 to 30 miles an hour. So we're going to turn a 3-hour trip into 6.
We're going 80 all the way. All right, I'm gonna go get the chocks, and then we'll head out and meet your mom and dad at the candy store.
Let's do it.
Watch us.
What did it say?
It says slow down. There's a cop hiding behind this sign. I hope they're open. It says closed.
Huh?
Oh, come on. There really is a cop hiding behind that sign. That's so funny.
There's no one in the car.
Oh, that's weird.
Closed for the season. See you Mother's Day.
Oh, bud. I'm sorry. Sorry, bud.
Hey, you know what the plus side is, though?
We still have candy.
You still have a candy cup that Mommy made for you.
Woo-hoo. And if you want it right now, you can have it. Well, that's that.
Do you want to tell your parents that we're not stopping here? You need to just keep going? Hey, also,
There's a DQ.
this is just the biggest candy store in Minnesota.
Yeah.
Maybe we should find the biggest one in the country and hope it's on our way home. It's probably not.
It's probably in Texas.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high.
Sheriff thinks he's an actual dog.
Yeah.
She's like, that doesn't smell like a dog.
No.
New dog tags. I'm much more interested in over here.
I'm gonna turn to drive it.
Okay, Seeger, you gotta be careful, bud.
My turn to drive. My turn to drive.
Don't be nervous. You're close enough to stick your foot out and stop his head from hitting the floor if he falls. That's about it.
It's my turn to drive.
Does it look like the Ferris wheel's running?
No,
Or
it
is
just
like,
stopped to
waiting in
get
line?
people off. Where are you going?
It's $25 a person. So when they heard we were coming out to stay for a while, Chris and Blaine told us about Scheels. We'd never been to a Scheels before. It's a little bit like a Bass Pro Shop, but a little more geared towards a department store. They also had an arcade, which any kid is going to have a great time. From Super Pac-Man to car driving games, the kids really enjoyed getting into those and pumping some quarters in. Scheels integrates entertainment elements to enhance their customer experience, and some stores have the Ferris wheel, others have 16,000-gallon saltwater aquariums, interactive sports simulators, mini bowling alleys, wildlife mountain displays, in-store cafes and fudge shops. So if you have an opportunity to stop at a Scheels, it's a good place to get out, walk around, get some wiggles out, do some entertaining things, maybe even pick up a few things. While I was there, I managed to get a new GoPro battery and a charger. They were on discount and I couldn't pass it up. You never know what you might get, but it's an interesting place at least to walk around, and it's big enough that you'll be occupied looking at something for at least some time.
Get on it.
Hey, that's the same as mine.
It is. It's a little smaller though. That's yours right there.
What?
The red one.
This one's red.
Are you gonna go to do bike?
We were thinking about getting him gears because when every time we go up the hill, he has struggles going up it.
Yeah, I like it. Let's get it. For all of us? For all 4 of us?
She got you one for each of you.
One for Shepard, one for Cedar, one for me, one for
There's not one for you. All right. Close your eyes.
Wait, can we pick one?
What is that?
Oh, Cedar got a banana truck. I got another banana truck. I got another banana truck.
Do you know what it is?
It's a pen.
What do you? Can you tell Aunt Kathy thank you?
Go tell Aunt Kathy thank you on the phone.
Thanks, Aunt Kathy. Thanks, Aunt Kathy. I can't open it. Mom, I can't open it. I want to have one.
Nice. How much meat is that?
6 pounds, I think.
6 pounds. Is that 20%?
80-20, yeah.
Yeah. The good stuff.
I didn't wash my hands and I just pooped. That's alright. You guys alright with that?
She said she used to make it for remember she
The grill will cook it off.
That's exactly what that's what I was thinking.
So you make each one exactly right.
Close enough, yeah. 4 ounces.
4 ounces.
Quarter pounder. We'll have doubles though.
I was surprised when we had the Juicy Lucy, it was a double patty.
Was it?
And I don't normally like a double patty. It just feels like there's too much meat. Not enough, there's not enough bun or whatever to
Talking
compensate.
about that the other day, the ratio between meat and bun and all the other stuff that goes on in it.
So this is Sioux Falls Park, in the heart of Sioux Falls, South Dakota, where nature, history, and community come together in one unforgettable place. It's April 2022, and the chill of winter is finally losing its grip. No, it's not. I'm still freezing cold. We thought we were getting better when we were in Minnesota, but I'm still wearing a sweater and a jacket and pants and shoes. And if you know me, I'm usually in shorts, flip-flops, and a t-shirt. So that's telling. Normally the snow melt and the spring rains that feed the Big Sioux River would be swelling into a powerful, roaring cascade. But this year, there's very little water. It's because of some of the construction that's going on around this area. And instead of seeing the massive rushing waters that you would normally see coming over the falls, we get to see what's under those falls, which is pink quartzite rocks worn smooth by centuries of erosion. There still are some falls, so we get to see some water flow, but there is an ominous, eerie vibe to the falls right now because it just seems like they're kind of less than. There's very little water in comparison to what we would have expected to see, but we can still walk through the park, across its paved paths, and see a little bit of the history. Across the river from the observation tower, there are the ruins of the Queen Bee Mill, a relic from the 1800s. It was once an attempt to harness the river's power to create industry, and although the mill was short-lived, its stone still remains and is an iconic reminder of the city's ambitious past. In April, the crowds are light, locals walk their dogs, and joggers keep pace along the river. Photographers wait patiently for just the right light to capture the falls, and everybody to get out of their way. It's peaceful and perhaps even more intimate than in the bustling summer months. The cafe and the visitor center may still be operating on reduced hours, but they're beginning to buzz again with the energy of spring. Park staff are prepping for the season ahead, planting, cleaning, restoring, and there's a sense of anticipation in the air. Falls Park in April isn't just a place, it's a moment. A bridge between winter and the warm months ahead. A space to pause, breathe, and remember the power of nature, not only to shape the land, but to renew the spirit.
Yeah, I dare you to jump from there, Dad.
Yeah. Here.
What?
Film this.
Huh? Don't do it. Oh, is it on?
Yep, it's all ready.
Sawyer, stop.
That's gonna break the fruit. Last time. Can I go?
No, you can't.
Let's go down there. Come on, Dad. Let's go down.
What do you have to say?
Pharmacists and doctors.
I know how to aim.
They're up there by the boys.
Well, you keep shooting me in the head, man.
I'm not.
You just shot me in the head.
You just two.
Ha ha! You got him? Look at you, locked and loaded, huh? Or at least just loaded. Here. Here you go.
That was awesome. I just found a whole pile of bullets. Go, Chef, go.
What happened?
He went into a tree.
He's still going? It is.
All right, now turn that way.
Oh, trouble, trouble. Oh boy, oh boy.
Get it!
Oh!
Fine, if you catch it, you throw it to me.
Did he fall asleep at the wheel?
Open the lid. Open the lid, Chef. Open the lid. Smell your finger out. Take it out. Thank you for cleaning my toilet. With a cow.
What you got, Seeger?
Cow with the what?
What is that?
Ice cream.
Ice cream? I thought it was broccoli.
We don't like broccoli.
You don't like broccoli?
Somebody in here, we don't like broccoli.
No.
We just like tomatoes.
Tomatoes are good. Careful. Oh.
Got one shot, he's getting it.